What's up, YouTube? This is my truck again on 22s. Got the Volga on there like last time in the video. Get you guys another walk around on that. Got the Vogues. My chrome mirror drop. Both of them actually. Got the HID kit. Got a new set. Other one's burnt out. Right now it's dirty. I haven't washed it. Got straight pipes. Let you guys hear how they sound. Straight pipes on that. Leave me some comments, rate, do, subscribe. Tell me what you guys think about it again. Have you guys more videos for this summer? Gonna have it washed up tomorrow, make another video and shit like that.